Chinga kia tigirinse iye miaka ibiri togende hobochorio wanne bumwaka bwechirwe na 2052 nigo ekiumbe ekemo kimanyikete na Center for African Progress Kenya tukabagakora obutuki ana mono igoro bochori gwikero kyo bugavana ase county ya Kisii korengana ne kiumbe kyo nigo omuwasiri omukoro bwechisemi musike esekiro Machogu mbaki arorekanire kubra arorekane ko abosio yaburwanire bande abale omugavana gwe county ya Kisii omusike Paul Simbarati omo anasiasa oyu oligetigaro kyobo governor asobo chalio bane bo mwaka bwechirwe na 13 Lumumba Nyaberi nabo igo omunyagitari Enoch Ondari ase obotukyo boigo nigo anyaraka bagakwanira ndamono igoro ya chingaki obotukyo bwanyataka bakwanekiwa.
The incumbent governor, that is Arati, who obviously is going to defend his seat, has made it very clear. But then we also have 3 other people who've come up. There is a guy who has always vied from the advent of devolution called Lumumba Nyaberi. His name featured. There's a guy called Dr. Ondari. Enoch, his name also featured. And of course, the guy who came in second in the 2022 Kisii County gubernatorial election, that is former CS for Education, Ezekiel Machogu. He was also, mentioned by a number of the people we talked to. So the results indicate that as of now, according to Kisii County voters, if the election was carried today, as at the time we carried the survey, the candidate who could emerge victorious is the former CS for Education, Ezekiel Machogu, who gets 1,170 out of the 3,000 people we interviewed. That is 39% of the 3,000 people who we talked to, trying to find out who's the most popular candidate for governor as we head into the 2027 general election. He was followed by the current governor, Simba, who gets 960, which is 32%. And then, of course, Dr. Ondari came in at number 3, a distant third, getting Ondari got 9.27%. Number 3, and then of course number 4 is Nyaberi Lumumba at 4%. Now we have other candidates, I call them fringe candidates, around 6 of them, who got 4.5%, and 11.23% of the people we talked to remain undecided.